1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Nirvana, About a Girl. Cool, awesome, let's go. Standard tuning. We got E minor. 1, 2. And from E minor we want to grab a G. Keep your second finger where it is and just move 3, add pinky. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. Up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, verses, and then we have to grab a bar chord, unfortunately. C sharp minor, so bar 4 starting on the A string, and then we got 6D, 6G and 5B. So first finger and just grab that note there on 4th fret, A. And then we want to go to F sharp major, so that's barring 2nd fret, 4, 4 and 3. And then I hear that they lift up, you hear open strings. E major. 1, 2, 3, E major. A major. C major. So. Time before the song ends, they repeat that 2 times. About a Girl. Pretty simple, right? Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Be safe and rock and roll. Thank you for tuning in.